Hi, I'm Andrew from Okta, and today we're going to look at logging into Salesforce using SWA, Secure Web Authentication, using Fastpass as well to get into the Okta dashboard. So let's get started. I've got my Okta Verify application installed on my computer here, living in the tray. And what that is going to allow me to achieve is a Fastpass login. When I click on a favorite here to log me into the Okta dashboard, I will be logged in without typing a username or password due to that existing trust relationship. Now that I'm at my Okta dashboard, I have two Salesforce tiles here. The Secure Web Authentication tile is indicated here, and the SAML authentication style is indicated here. Clicking on the SAML integration, I will be taken through with a seamless SSO login. And just to double check here, let's take a look at the SWA and how that works as well. Now we have two methods to log in. This one is using SWA, or the browser plugin, to inject the credentials into the login page, as you saw there. And both of these are functioning just fine together. There is a Salesforce setting to disallow users logging in with credentials once you have SSO enabled. That would be considered a best practice. So how is this configured? Let's take a look at the back end. We've got one application set up in one style and one in the other. So let's open up these two different applications. The first single sign-on method here is set for SAML, and my second one is set up for Secure Web Authentication. And the key factor here when leveraging Fastpass is you will need to have a sign-on policy that dictates that you do not have password as a requirement. So in this case, I only have one rule. It is my catch-all rule. This is not necessarily a best practice here. But when I go into this policy, this user must authenticate with setting must be set to any one-factor type /IDP. By default, this will be set to password /IDP, triggering a password prompt when you click on this tile. So just make sure this is set for that, and without the user approving a prompt in Okta Verify. So this would also trigger a biometric prompt to be popped up from the Okta Verify application. With that in mind, you can achieve this configuration you see here. Hopefully this is helpful. Thanks for watching.